Welcome to Harvest Day!
Yay! Today is Harvest Day! Let's explore the farm together!
Everything is ready to harvest!
The vegetables look beautiful! I can't wait to help!
Hop on the big red tractor!
I'm ready! Let's go harvesting! Look at the giant pumpkins! The strawberries are so red!
Our harvest adventure has begun! Our first stop is the carrot field.
Let's pick some carrots! This is gonna be fun!
Hello, little rabbit!
You're so cute! Let's harvest carrots together!
Hold the leaves and pull gently.
Wow! It's so big! Amazing! That's the biggest carrot!
Excellent job! Excellent job!
Our basket is getting full! Great teamwork!
Harvesting is fun together. Hooray for fresh carrots!
Harvest Day is so much fun!
Let's visit the next garden. Now let's harvest delicious tomatoes.
Tomatoes! They're so bright and red. I can't wait to pick them.
Red tomatoes are ready to harvest.
They're shiny and beautiful. They smell so fresh. I picked one. Here's another tomato.
Wonderful harvesting.
Our baskets are full. Look at this perfect tomato.
Great teamwork, everyone. Let's count our tomatoes.
1, 2, 3.
So many delicious tomatoes. Now we're visiting the cornfield.
The corn is so tall. It looks like a green maze.
Thank you for helping us.
You're such a kind cow. Let's fill the wagon.
With a roar here and a roar there, here a roar, there a roar, everywhere a roar, roar. Old MacDonald.
Twist gently, then pull down.
I want to try. The trailer is filling up. We picked so much corn.
Excellent teamwork.
I want to try.
Hooray for our corn harvest!
What a wonderful day! Let's keep harvesting.
Welcome to the pumpkin patch.
Wow! Those pumpkins are huge! They're bigger than me! This pumpkin is gigantic!
It's our biggest pumpkin.
I can't even hug it all!
One, lift.
It's so heavy! We need more help! We need more help!
The big red tractor can help.
Hooray! We need more help!
Hooray for our pumpkin harvest!
The pumpkins are amazing! Let's keep exploring the farm!
Now we're visiting the strawberry garden.
The strawberries look delicious! They're so bright and red!
Pick only the bright red strawberries.
They're shiny and sweet! I'll be very gentle.
Come on, let's sing together. Happy and joyful.
Look at my basket! Mine is filling up too.
Excellent harvesting.
The trailer is almost full. Our strawberries look beautiful.
Wonderful teamwork. Hooray for fresh strawberries.
This is my favorite harvest. Let's visit the apple orchard next.
Welcome to the apple orchard.
The apples are beautiful. Let's pick some apples.
We are a happy singing family.
Twist gently and lift carefully.
Sing and dance and clap your hands.
The apple looks perfect. I'll try next.
We are a happy singing family.
My basket is filling up. I found green apples too.
Wonderful job.
The trailer is almost full. Our apples look amazing.
Excellent teamwork.
Kind and gentle.
Hooray for our apple harvest.
Harvest Day is so much fun. Let's continue our farm adventure.
Look at the beautiful sunflowers.
They're so tall and bright. It's like a golden ocean.
Sunflowers love following the sunshine.
They're turning together, just like we're dancing.
Pick them fresh and share with
These
friends.
sunflower seeds are amazing. Look how many there are.
Oh, wonderful harvesting. The birds love sunflower seeds.
They're so cute. They're so cute.
Let's feed them gently. Hooray for our sunflower harvest.
The flowers are beautiful. Let's keep exploring the farm.
Look at our wonderful harvest.
Everything looks amazing. We harvested so much today.
Can you name these vegetables and fruits?
Carrots, tomatoes, and apples. Corn, pumpkins, strawberries, and sunflowers. These carrots go here. The apples belong over there.
Excellent sorting. Welcome, my wonderful friends.
Hello, everyone. We're happy to see you.
Let's count together.
1, 2, 3. So many wonderful harvests.
Let's celebrate Harvest Day together.
3. This is the best farm adventure ever.
Let's enjoy our wonderful harvest together.
Everything looks so colorful. This picnic is amazing.
Can you remember everything we harvested today?
Yes, apples, pumpkins, strawberries, carrots, corn, tomatoes, and beautiful sunflowers too.
Today was a wonderful harvest day.
I had so much fun. I can't wait for our next adventure.
Old MacDonald had a
Thank you for joining our Harvest Day adventure.
See you again.